They'll remember the victories, but they won't see the mornings that built them. The silence before sunrise, the freezing rain, the endless climbs. The moments where quitting felt easier than continuing. From the hills of Valkenburg, through the Vorstreek, to the roads of the Ardennes. Every kilometer has a purpose, because greatness isn't found on race day. It's built long before the start line, across the Benelux, France, Spain, Poland, different roads. One mindset. At Tiger, we don't chase shortcuts. We build character. We build resilience. We build riders who dare to become more than they were yesterday. Not everyone chooses this path, but those who do, don't just wear the jersey. They become part of something bigger. Tiger. Built every day,